Welcome to Ramp Travel. Today we'll walk through how employees can book travel quickly and confidently, all while staying within company policy. Ramp Travel makes it easy to book flights, hotels, and rental cars all in one place. As you book, receipts are automatically matched to transactions, memos and accounting codes are suggested, and there's no need to submit a manual expense report after the trip. You can also access trip information on the go with ease via the Ramp app on your cell. To begin, please navigate to your My Travel tab on the left-hand panel. To book a flight, enter in your home airport or location under Where From. Under Where To, select your destination. Then select the dates for your trip. If you want to change any of these default settings here, you can. Otherwise, you could go ahead and click Search or this search here to search for your flights. This page will show you your flight options. You can use the filters up top here, such as selecting in-policy booking to only show options covered within your company policy. If you cannot find an option that works for you within your policy, you can always clear the filter and book as normal. Please note that any option out of policy will have a disclaimer stating it is out of policy and why. For example, if we hover over it, it'll tell us business is out of policy for flights lasting less than 8 hours as set by the company. Once you've reviewed all the details, go ahead and select the flights that work best for you, preferably within your company policy. Here, you'll review your flight details as well as select your seats. Anything with an X is typically marked as unavailable, whereas you'll see open seats and the amount it costs by hovering over it here. These are free, so you could go ahead and select whichever option you prefer here. Then you'll click on Next Flight. Next, you'll select your return seat and you'll click Finish. You can also add your loyalty information here, as well as your TSA PreCheck number here. This should all auto-populate if you've already filled out your traveler profile, and if not, once you add this information during checkout, it will save and apply to all future bookings. We'll also walk through how to fill out your travel profile in just a bit. As a last step, you're going to confirm everything here, and then you'll click Book Flight. Please note that based on how your travel policy is set up by your company, some travel bookings may require manager admin approval before you can complete your booking on Ramp, and in that case, it'll say submit your request here. Complete your trip by exploring in-policy options for hotels and for cars through this page or under My Trips. Let's look at our hotel options now. You can apply the in-policy booking filter up top here to book hotels within your company policy. You can see a list of hotels here to the left and even manually move the map by zooming in and out of certain areas if you wish to stay in a specific part of the city. Company preferred options, as labeled here in green, will be tagged. Select the hotel to see more information. Here, you'll be able to see more information about the hotel and even select your room. Confirm your hotel details here and click on Book, or it might say Submit Request. You can also book car rentals through Ramp. Click on Search Cars down here, or you could do it through My Trips, and then you could select any filter above here, including In Policy. Explore your options here, and once you've decided to choose an option, click on Reserve, and then review the car rental details and click on Book Car. All of your itinerary details will show here under this trip. Now let's walk through trips. You can book travel by creating your trip first or letting Ramp automatically create the trip for you after booking like we did today. Think of a trip as an itinerary that will automatically consolidate all expenses during a specific travel period. You can also view upcoming or past trips and manage current bookings by clicking into them in your My Travel tab. After we book the flight, hotel, and car rental, you'll notice that Ramp has automatically created the trip itinerary in the My Travel tab. Here you can see a breakdown of our trip once you click right into it. You can modify the trip details by clicking on Edit Trip on the top right, or even deleting it, which will only ungroup the associated expenses. It will not cancel any bookings or booking requests. If you would like to modify your bookings, you could click into them, and there are options under Manage Your Booking. Now let's take a look at setting up your traveler profile. You can save your travel information to make booking quick and efficient. All the way in the top right, go ahead and click on your initials. From here, click on Traveler Profile. This is where you'll add your personal and loyalty information. You can add your profile information here, your contact information here, TSA pre-check number under Known Traveler Number, and best of all, you can add your loyalty information for airlines, hotels, and car rentals where it'll auto-apply every time you book. Lastly, you can also select someone that can book on your behalf. Once you've filled out all your profile details, be sure to click Save on the bottom right so that way your profile details will auto-fill for all future bookings going forward. Now you are ready to start using Ramp Travel to book confidently, stay within policy, and keep all your trips organized in one place.